guys, I'm just walking down the road and I will show you the front of the exhibition place. Now I am trying to talk, but the thing is that the road is so busy and loud, so hopefully you can hear me. Exhibition stadium also for the coaches. This is where they used to play at the stadium. And soccer. Yes, they have some like the Toronto Indy, and also Toronto Caravana. The stadium is behind there as well. And then in the summertime they have the Scenic open, and then it's run for about a week and a half, I believe. So much fun, so much music, so much food, music, you name it. I will take you in there this summer when it's open to show you what it's all about. This is a Canadian exhibition place. This is the Canadian National Stadium exhibition place.
Why didn't you come to your house? Yeah.
Side of the street is so we jumped on the highway just now, and I'm going to show you a new development. It's only a pity these condos are so close to the highway. I don't know how people do it. I for sure would not buy a condo so close to the highway. How would I sleep at night? There is no way I would do that. Look at all these condos, guys. And all these condos right here, or this whole place is new development. People just chose to put condos right beside the highway. To each their own though, who wants to live here. They're beautiful, and I'm sure inside is beautiful as well. That bridge down there is also new. Well, all I can say today is Saturday and the road is not looking too shabby. construction going on.